I bought the cheapest 135i on Facebook Marketplace, and here it is. They went to their BMW dealership. They're like, I want the nicest convertible you have. This is what they ended up with. And then they hit everything with it. It's 2013, so it's the last year they made this car, and it has the N55, so same engine as the M2 at the time and the 1M. We've got some damage from guardrail. This wheel's curved. We got this mirror broken there. We've got a little scrape on your side skirt there, scrape on the door handle. This is probably from a bank pole. Of course, wheel curved. This side of the car actually looks pretty good. Not really any damage over here, except of course, wheel curved. Wheel curved, heavily curved. We got some chunks of the tire coming off here. This person went and got their car serviced. They spent almost 10 grand on maintenance. New clutch, new flywheel, a whole bunch of new parts, let their friend drive it, burned out the new clutch. New clutch again, 7 minutes on the road, head into another car. So that's where all this is from. On a positive note, the engine and the maintenance and all that stuff is in great condition. On a negative note, this was owned by somebody that should have had an Altima. I haven't really had a chance to go through this car much to see what treasures we might find inside. So let's take a look, see what we find. We have already taken the food out of it. There was a whole box of like pastries and things like that. It was just, I went ahead and just took that out because we don't need this thing turning into a science experiment. But let's see what else we got. So this, oh, there we go. We've got an umbrella, we've got jumper cables, we got rags I'm not gonna touch. Maybe they kept it clean. We got the turtle wax, which we found all over the car when we bought it. I think they, in their head, thought that turtle wax, it's also cross-threaded. They thought that was gonna fix this, because that's why that was all over, it was all over the side of this car. We got an umbrella, it's a Nautica umbrella. It's actually a Win, I think. The jumper cables. Terrible.
Sounded like a Roman candle.
There is some of my camera equipment in here, but I haven't really gone through this yet. There was some stuff that I found that I kind of like threw off to the side. I want to point your attention to this particular item. I should be wearing gloves for this, but we found a shortened McDonald's straw, and it's got, you know, some teeth marks in it. So I asked ChatGPT what that could mean. I'm not gonna say it here, but it's not for drinking your soda. Yeah. Oh, it's one of these.
Oh, okay.
A few moments later.
Got some more items under the seat here. We got a cigarette, 2 pairs of sunglasses. I touched them. We got makeup, a pen. Those Werther's original. Starface, whatever that is. I'm discovering some special wiring in here. But this is the airbag. This is the airbag from the steering wheel here. It also blew the roll cage in these BMWs. When they think you might roll over, they have a roll cage that pops out. Unfortunately, that means we can't put the convertible top down. There was a big smash right here in the windshield. I've already replaced the windshield so I could drive the car, but her head and her face, I can only assume she was unbuckled at the time of the incident, was right, like there was an imprint of her face that smashed the windshield basically. So I fixed that because I want to be able to drive it and not get pulled over. The steering wheel is crooked when we go straight. We're gonna get to that, but I have plans for this car, and there's a reason I bought this car.
So
let's fire it up, just push button. It is a manual, like I said. This was the cheapest running and driving manual that I found. We should have our full 306 horsepower, I think it is. It has this ridiculous radio. Every time you go to shift, you punch the radio and you can't see the AC. It is a nice kind of looking radio, but it's super out of place. This is getting ripped out of here. Although I did discover something playing around with it. Check this out. Now we can see the AC controls,
But then you can't.
but then it's
feel
blocking the
AC.
vent. So then once you change your AC controls, then you go, now you got your AC.
Engineering.
Well, let's see what she's got. See if she can pull. See what she's got. Woo. Oh yeah, there she goes. All right, hitting it. She moves. She moves. She's got some pull. There is a lot of turbo lag. So this is floored. Now we got power. So that is one thing I'm gonna have to try to take care of. We want less turbo lag for what we're gonna use it for, but feels healthy. There's the turbo. I think she's got full power still. Ooh, scraping. Oh no. Can't see the mirror.
Oh, sorry. I was trying to record my forward.
I don't know where you're putting it.
I was just trying to record it.
I think it was a good buy. I think we're good. You just zoomed all the way.
Can we do it again? How did you catch that from there, dude?
You can see what the lens is doing.
Don't put that in the fucking video.
This will suit my project perfectly. It actually has great power. It feels pretty solid. It's low miles. It's clean title. It's only got 77,000 miles. We're gonna try to get another 100 horsepower or so out of it because, well, I'll tell you my plans later. But this is the car that we found on Facebook Marketplace, and it's the cheapest one for sale, or was the cheapest one for sale until I bought it. I got this whole car, running, driving, stick shift for 3,900 bucks.